Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Do's English, the place where learning English feels easy and friendly.
Hi, friends. I'm James.
And I'm Jessica. We're very happy you're here today.
Yes, and today's topic is very special.
That's right. Today we're going to talk about Christmas in English.
Christmas is fun. Christmas is warm. And Christmas is a great topic for English practice.
Exactly. You will learn simple words, easy sentences, and real English conversations.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like learning English with us,
Please like this video, subscribe to Do's English, and share it with a friend.
your support helps us make more lessons for you.
All right, let's begin. James, let me ask you a simple question.
Sure, go ahead.
What is Christmas?
Good question. Christmas is a holiday.
Yes, Christmas is a holiday.
People celebrate Christmas in December.
Right. Christmas is on December 25th. Listener, repeat after me. Christmas is on December 25th.
Nice job. Now, Jessica, what do people do on Christmas?
People spend time with family.
They eat food together.
They give gifts.
They decorate their homes.
Repeat. Decorate the house. Good job. Let's start with an easy word.
Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree is a big tree.
We decorate the tree.
We put lights on the tree.
We put decorations on the tree.
Example sentence. I decorate my Christmas tree.
Very good. Say it again slowly.
I decorate my Christmas tree.
Nice sentence. Another example. This gift is for my friend.
Repeat after me. Gift. Present. Gift.
Now a fun word.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is a Christmas character.
Children love Santa Claus.
He brings gifts.
Example sentence. Santa Claus brings gifts.
Listener, say it. Santa Claus brings gifts.
Great job. You're doing really well.
Jessica, my favorite part of Christmas is food.
Me too.
Let's learn how to talk about Christmas food in English.
Common Christmas foods are cake, cookies, chicken, dinner.
Here's a very easy sentence. We eat dinner together.
Yes. Another one. I eat Christmas cookies.
Simple, clear, real English.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences. Now let's do a short conversation. First, just listen.
Okay?
What do you do on Christmas?
I stay at home.
Do you eat special food?
Yes, I eat dinner with my family.
Now, let's say it together. Pause and repeat with us. What do you do on Christmas?
I stay at home.
Do you eat special food?
Yes, I eat dinner with my family.
Excellent. You are speaking real English now.
If you understand this conversation,
That means you are improving.
even small sentences are powerful.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
You are learning, and we are proud of you.
Jessica, how do you feel at Christmas?
I feel happy.
Nice. Happy is a great word.
I also feel excited.
Excited means very happy.
Repeat. Happy, excited, happy. Some people feel calm,
Some people feel relaxed.
and that's okay too. Example sentences. I feel happy at Christmas. I feel excited at Christmas.
Good job. Say one sentence out loud.
Now, let's learn Christmas greetings.
The most common one is Merry Christmas.
Very easy, very common.
Another one is Happy Holidays.
People say this at work or with friends.
You can also say Have a nice Christmas.
Let's practice together. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about Christmas plans.
Plans mean what you will do.
Use this simple sentence. I will.
For example, I will stay at home.
Another one. I will visit my family.
Or I will eat dinner with my parents.
Repeat. I will stay at home. I will visit my family.
You're speaking future English now. Great job.
Let's do another short conversation.
First, just listen.
What are your plans for Christmas?
I will stay at home.
Who will you be with?
I will be with my family.
Now, repeat with us. What are your plans for Christmas?
I will stay at home.
Who will you be with?
I will be with my family.
Excellent. That is real English conversation.
Jessica, what do you do on Christmas morning?
I wake up early.
Nice sentence.
I drink tea.
Very simple. Very real.
Examples. I wake up early. I drink tea in the morning.
You can say, I open gifts.
Or, I eat breakfast. Remember, small sentences are okay.
If English feels hard sometimes,
That's normal.
you don't need perfect English.
You need practice.
And you are practicing right now.
Good job. You're improving already.
Let's recap what you learned today. Christmas feelings, greetings, plans, daily talk.
Now, we have a fun question for you. What do you do on Christmas morning?
Write one simple sentence in English.
For example, I drink coffee, or I open gifts.
We read all your comments.
Thank you for learning with Do's English.
We're very happy to practice with you.
If this lesson helped you,
Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
keep learning, keep speaking.
You are doing amazing.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays.
See you next time on Do's English.